So this is the Nature Hotel here in Phuket. We stay here for about 3 nights, and the hotel is really good. The room is spacious, really clean, and this is in front of the beach. That rooftop has a mini bar, and you can enjoy eating, drinking at night. At the back there is a big swimming pool right here. So this is in front of a very nice beach. They call it Kalim Beach. Another thing is, if you want to do island hopping, it is easier if you stay in this hotel, because there is a little above here. This is store information. So you see, what is the good thing about here is they offer you a buy one get one, and you see that you go to the PP Island. This is the best island in Thailand and one of the best islands in the world. Not only PP, but you can go also to James Bond Island and some other islands like the Similan in Ranong. This booth is easily to find because this is only opposite to the Nature Hotel, and you can also buy like delicious Thai food in cheaper price. So it is very convenient to stay in this hotel. This is situated near the mountain, so you can sit back, and here is the eatery. See lots of foreigners eating here at night. Mr. T, he's
not coffee.
yeah. Yeah. Yes. So you're gonna come here and just contact to Mr. T. He is the in charge here of this tour activity, and there is the tour information. Yeah. I'm gonna show you phone number here, so just contact this number if you want to book, and you can get simply buy one get one for free. I'm gonna get close right here inside. So James Bond Island, you see right there, there is a canoeing activity right inside the cave, so you can do the canoeing there. And so there are different many beautiful islands here: Raya, Semilan, James Bond PP, and a lot more. Yeah, and also for the land activities, you can have it there: zip lining, elephant and jungle sanctuary. There are a lot of things you can do. ATV as well. So you can just book right here, and this is beside the Nature Hotel right here. Excuse me, Mr. T, what is the name of this road here? Is this
Pat Barami.
Pat Barami Road?
Pat Barami Road.
Oh,
yes.
okay.
The road from the Patong to Kamala.
Oh,
yes, yes.
okay.
The nature between Patong Kamala.
Patong and
yes,
Kamala.
yes.
Okay. The nature.
Our room is 5207.
Welcome to the jungle pool. Look at the room. Oh, this is really nice. So clean. See? What I like about this hotel is that their facilities, amenities, the room with comfy bed, everything is really great, and for the price is really reasonable for just more than 1,000 baht per night. Also, I like the food. It's buffet, and also pretty impressive the pool, and you can have access to transportation. Of course, you can rent motorbikes and cars from this hotel. How much we pay for this room, Blanga? How much we pay for a night? 1,200. But it is discounted already. Original price is 6,000 plus. room is very clean, right? The nature Phuket hotel. This hotel is along Kalem Street, and just a kilometer away there is the Patong beach.